Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Lanea. I think it's 13 months, right?
It is.
Well, happy edge-iversary. You have your edges back.
I do.
So tell us about your experience. Tell the world about your experience.
I loved it. The process was easy. Like, I would do this again if I needed to, but I don't have to. But awesome process. From the beginning, literally until the end, you guys have been there. I see you out here. I really do. So let's not forget about you. The process has been awesome. Like, I've literally had some friends tell me, like, I think I'm ready now. And this has honestly been the best thing that I've done.
Well, you started with zero hair. I mean, I'm going to put the before pictures next to our discussion here today. But here, put your chin down. Let them even just see that center part. I mean, you're wearing your hair perfectly. Yeah. And everybody comes up to you and probably says, your hair looks so healthy.
Yeah, they do. Because a lot of my friends had not seen my hair in years. Like, I kind of just resorted to wigs, and it's just like, dang, your hair just look good. I'm like, I know, right?
And it's not only the edges. We got all the way back. We covered a pretty large area.
Yeah.
And then the scar. Invisible or not there?
Oh, yeah. I don't feel it, can't see it. Nobody, I don't think, can figure out where it's at. It doesn't exist.
How long did you think about getting a hair transplant for before actually getting a hair transplant?
It had been mentioned to me before, and at that time I didn't even really think I knew it was a thing. But until maybe actually consultation day, probably like about 2 years.
And that's usually a common length. Anywhere between 2 to 5 years, people have been looking into it. They're, no, it's not for me. But then once they do decide to reach out and they go forward with it, what do you recommend for somebody who's on the fence?
Do it. Have that consultation. This is a conversation that I'm having with a friend right now. I'm like, have the consultation. Ask all of your questions. See how you feel at that point, and go forward. And
it is a free consultation. It's not you call us. I'm human. I talk to you. If anything, I want to educate you even on how to take care of your hair, even if it's a small area. Not everybody can have a surgery. So for both the men and the women, if you're too young or too old or too extensive of a hair loss, I'm willing to give recommendations for that also. Best decision you've made?
It has. And I would do this 10 times over, seriously. Your
confidence, everything just...
I am.
This summer, you had the chance to just wear your hair out.
I did. And that's something that I would not have ever done before, seriously.
I thank you so much again for sharing your story with everybody. Again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Definitely another one of our many success stories. And I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to share your story.
I appreciate you too.
You look awesome.
Thank you.